The recent discovery of Antarctic umber is nothing short of groundbreaking. This ancient resin, dating back to the time when lush forests thrived in what is now a frozen landscape, offers a unique glimpse into a world long gone. Imagine tiny insects trapped in this golden substance, preserved for millions of years, revealing secrets about the biodiversity of ancient ecosystems. Researchers believe this umber could reshape our understanding of how life adapted to changing climates. It's fascinating to think that what we now see as a barren wasteland was once a vibrant habitat teeming with life. This discovery not only highlights the resilience of nature but also reminds us of the intricate connections within our planet's history. Each piece of umber is like a time capsule, waiting to tell its story.